Yesterday was great, and today is another. Okay, guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. Let me try to share with a couple of friends, right? All right, guys, welcome to a new day. Welcome to a new day. Um, Yesterday we had a trade on Nasdaq, which actually went in profit, gave us 1:1, and went back straight to our SL. Man, you know how aching that could be, right? So today, let's see what we have going on. Let's see what we have going on on the charts. I'm not seeing anyone here yet, so until I notice people are watching before I can continue, you know. So for those watching me for their first time, because I know this video will stay on my channel and you'll definitely get to watch it maybe later. So if you're watching me for your first time, do not forget to subscribe to this channel, guys. Do not forget to show some love by subscribing to the channel. And I always share the videos with a couple of friends. They might learn something, you know. All right, at this point, I'm gonna turn my camera. Let's flip my camera so you can see what we have going on. All right. Okay. So this is GBP USD. This is GBP USD, and I shared this trade the other day. I said it's a swing. I remember I shared it on Telegram. All right. Let's just go up a little. Let me show you exactly where I did share this trade so that you should know how powerful this shit is. So I said, hope you're ready in the move. All right, GBP USD. All right, this is the trade. And let's see. Okay, swing on GBP USD. Remember, right? I told everyone to sell. Hi, guys. Thanks for joining. Please, if you can see my screen, just let me know in the comment section. All right? If you can see my screen, just let me know in the comment section. If my camera is clear, just let me know in the comment section. All right, so this is the setup playing out perfectly well. So for those who took it with me, I believe you all are in massive profits right now. Then for today, what are we expecting? Which pair are we looking forward to catch a trade on? All right, we currently have some a setup on gold preparing. Remember, I told you I shared this setup yesterday in the channel. Let me also show you. I shared it yesterday in the channel that gold will drop to a certain zone. All right. I said gold was going to drop. So this is exactly what we had. So this is exactly what we had on. This is the view I shared on gold, and you see, I always share everything. This is my Telegram channel, right? I share almost everything with them. So at this point, we are almost there. All right. Some aggressive traders have already gotten in because they actually tapped on this other block, which is also very okay. All right, this is very okay because if you stay too patient, you might miss the entry. Okay, you might miss the entry. So I'm looking to see if I get a good entry. I will, because the stop loss is really going to be big. That's why I'm expecting it to to retrace a little deeper for us to catch the move. But if not, then wait for a break, a change of character, and a retest for us to continue the move. Okay. So guys, do not forget, if you're watching us for the first time, whoa, you are welcome, guys. You're welcome. I go by the name FelloF, right? I really appreciate your comment. And if you have some pairs on your mind that you want us to analyze, let me know. Remember, I shared a trade on Bitcoin. I told us to buy Bitcoin, and the Bitcoin has finally smashed our SL. All right. Bitcoin has smashed SL on this trade that we've been holding for a very long time. Okay, the trade actually gave us profits. We took partials, but kept holding the rest. I did not move my stops to break even. I took partials, but still kept my stops here. So I'm stopped out. Did not lose anything because I already took a great amount of profits. Okay. So what are we looking at on Bitcoin right now? Let's just analyze Bitcoin. Okay. Let me just go back a little to a new Bitcoin chart. Yes, this is where we usually analyze Bitcoin. First, let me take it to normal. Take out all drawings. Perfect. All right, so let's look at Bitcoin right now. We have to go down to the 4 hours, okay, to see exactly what Bitcoin has been doing on the 4 hours. All right, so if we have to use trend lines, we'll take it all the way from here. Hi, Kelly Kweti. Nice to have you here. Please, where are you streaming from? Good. So if we have to take this trend line, you see, we should be buying Bitcoin at this point on the 4 hours. We should be buying Bitcoin right now because here is the third touch of our trend line. Okay, and it's a confluence because it taps into a fair value gap. So we are in a bull market, and like I told you, I'm not selling Bitcoin. So I think for those who are with me right here, this is a risky trade. Okay, it is a risky trade, but we are going to take it. And buying Bitcoin at this point could be a risky decision. Let's see the lower time frame to see if we have any confirmation. Okay, because we don't just buy because it has tapped on the trend line. At least we should see an engulfing candle. So if this 1 hour candle closes the way it is, then this buy is valid. Okay, this buy will be valid. So that's what I see on Bitcoin, and we'll be targeting our previous highs because I'm hoping that Bitcoin, if it takes out these levels, then we'll be taking out the previous highs as well. Okay, we'll be taking out the previous highs as well. So that's it on Bitcoin for today. I don't know, do you have any views? um if you are here that you don't know anything about trading, also let me know in the comment section so that I can know the kind of words I'm using while talking to you so that you too can understand what we are doing here. All right. Hi, Kelly Quitter. Nice to have you here. Okay. I'm really happy to see you here. So you can tell me where you're streaming from and tell me if you are a trader or you are just new and maybe you just noticed there's a lot going on and you said you should check to see what's popping. Okay. So there is this great update that I'm going to give you guys for those who would want to actually join my free community. The links are in the description. Just click on where you have description, all right? And you'll see a lot more. You'll see the link to my Telegram channel. It's free, okay? There I share free signals. I share free knowledge. So you can click on it to join my free signal community. And for those um, Mohammed Zik, buy gold. Yeah, that's right. There's a buy on gold, guys. Exactly what we're saying. So you're right. You see, that's our gold trade. Okay. So we're buying gold, but you should not go in aggressive, right? Because it might want to retrace a little. All right, it might want to retrace a little. So your stops, because where gold is right now is still very risky. So you have a stop loss somewhere around 3,327. All right, 3,327.99. So that's where your stop loss should be if you're buying gold. That's why I rather prefer a good confirmation before we start buying. Okay, but if you want to buy right now, there's still no problem. You buy, but do not over leverage. All right, you can just take one position and hold. Wait for, if price decides to retrace, good. If price doesn't retrace, you are in. Okay, so that's the advantage of those who are watching me live, because that's exactly what I've done personally. I'm already in gold. When gold came into the fair value gap, I bought, all right? And I placed my stop loss where it's supposed to be. And I'm also waiting in case gold decides to retrace a little deeper, then I will enter a very big position at that point with the same stop loss, all right? So guys, that's exactly how I'm handling gold. I believe I've solved your problem, Mr. Mohammedik. All right. So if you're not in my, yeah, 3,327.99, that's where mine is. Let me write it on the screen. I believe you can see my screen, right? If you can see my screen, let me know. Say yes, I can see a screen. 3,300. Let me just put it here. I don't know what. Good. 3,327.99. So that's my stop loss. Okay, that's my stop loss on gold. And for those who might want to maybe join my inner cycle, the links to the brokers I use are also in the description section, right? So you can use those links to create your account. Fund it, regulated broker, PUM Prime, PU Prime, and Anzo Capital. I don't see numbers because the screen is away. Oh, like seriously? You don't see this? So my WhatsApp number is also in the description section, but I'll put it here on the screen for those who want to contact me personally on WhatsApp, for me to guide you on whatever you have as a problem in trading, because I'm fond of that. I love doing that. All right, +237 651 8. So if you maybe want my mentorship, because I also offer that, you can contact me through this number, +237 651 899 562. All right, and that's it on gold. You gotta be smart, guys. You gotta be smart. Take advantage of every opportunity that presents itself before you. Okay, then still on Bitcoin, we were actually watching Bitcoin to see if we'll get a confirmation to buy Bitcoin. All right, because I'm already in Bitcoin on a buy right now, but not fully. So if this hourly candle closes bullish like this, then we are good to go. All right, we are good to go, because this is a key level. On 30 minutes, it's okay. All right, on 30 minutes, it's okay. So for those who are buying Bitcoin, you can do that as well. All right, but know that it is a swing. It's not just a 2 minute trade. Okay, so Mr. Muhammadin, where are you streaming from? Where are you watching me from? Just tell me in the comment section where you're watching me from. Okay, so guys, this is exactly what's happening. Then let's look at what we had on Nasdaq yesterday. I told you guys that Nasdaq dealt with me drastically. You know, we had a sell on Nasdaq. Perfect. You see what happened, right? We had a clean 1:1. Then price came back all the way up and stopped us out. And just a peak, just, you can imagine how aching this could be. So Nasdaq did not really give the move we expected yesterday. So today, by New York session, if all the conditions are set, then we'll be trading Nasdaq live. Okay, so stay tuned with me. And when you see a notification of my live stream, just join, because we'll be having some live trades. Okay, we'll be having some live trades. And do not forget to subscribe to this channel so that those notifications will hit you whenever I have a live trade. Okay, then on USD CAT, we had this same move on a pending order on one of my big accounts. Because if you remember, when I made the live video with you guys, missing, I shared it on the Go chat. It's on the Go. This is my phone number. Okay, this is my phone number, so you can contact me through that on WhatsApp, only on WhatsApp. +237 651 899 562. That's the WhatsApp number. Okay, I'm from Cameroon, but I'm not in Cameroon. I'm from Cameroon, but I'm not in Cameroon. What about you? Where are you from? Mohammedik. Yeah, so I was talking about this trade on USD CAD. All right. So we had this sell. I shared it live. Like, we took this trade live here on YouTube. All right. Most of these trades I share them with you. We take them live. I've learned a lot from YouTube. So I decided that after I become profitable, I will start sharing everything I learned with you guys. All right. I'll start sharing everything I learned with you guys. That's why you see me doing live streams, taking trades live on YouTube. First, I have confidence in my strategy. It's very, very profitable, and I've been making it big with it. That's why I can freely discuss with you and take a trade live, because I know what I'm doing. I'm not guessing, you get? I'm not wondering if it will play out or not. I know exactly what I'm doing, all right? And that's what you guys should do. Build your skill set. If you are still struggling to trade, give in time, all right? Trading is not something you just start today and tomorrow become profitable. No, it doesn't work that way. So what you do is give in some time, understand what it is, and once you get that, woo, don't play. Guys, you thank me for letting you know that you should not give up on trading. All right, because so many of us, or so many of you, might be thinking, this thing is not working for me. I've been taking losses back to back. Yes, personally, I take losses as well. I just showed you one of my losses on Nasdaq. All right, the other day we had a loss on gold. Though we have profits, our one-time profits always cover up all our losses, but we do have losses. All right, but what gives me an edge is the fact that I have confidence in my strategy, and I know exactly what I'm looking for on the charts. And once I see it, I go in like a robot, and when I see profits, I take partials along the line, short. Okay? So that's how easy I do this thing. That's how easy I do this thing. All right? All right, Mohammadin. Awesome. So, guys, we are still watching at gold and Bitcoin. All right, those are the two pairs we are trading today, gold and Bitcoin. But during New York session, we'll be trading Nasdaq. All right, during New York session, we'll be trading Nasdaq. So you see, this is Bitcoin already moving in profits. Gold as well is moving in profits, but I still don't trust that move on gold. I think gold might want to retrace a little deeper. Okay, it might want to dip a little for us to continue the buy, which is very okay. If it dips, good, we get a perfect and final entry. I won't play with my loss size. I'll enter well, but I'm not advising you to over leverage. All right, leverage only what you can afford to lose and the appropriate percentage you plan to risk. All right, do not risk too much. So feel free, guys, to ask me your questions related to forex trading, cryptocurrency, and the futures. All right, so I'm here with you guys, and I'm here for you guys. Just stay connected with me. Let's see how. So guys, feel free to ask me your trading related questions. Why we milk money from these markets today? Feel free to ask me your trading related questions. So we are still on gold, all right? And Bitcoin. Those are the two pairs we'll be trading today. Those are the pairs we'll be trading today, guys. Gold and Bitcoin. Yes, that's where price is, Mr. Muhammadu. Price is currently at 3,347. So the flag you sent, is that Sudan? Just write the name of the country, please. So let's see Bitcoin. I love Bitcoin because it doesn't waste time. Bitcoin is very volatile and it moves heavily, okay? So this is what we're expecting on Bitcoin. If this hourly candle closes the way it is, then we are good to go, right? We are good to go. But I'm in already because the 30 minutes gave me a confirmation, but I always want a good confirmation on the hourly, okay? So we are buying Bitcoin and we are buying gold as well. Which other pair would you want me to? Okay, Palestine. Nice to have you here, brother. Perfect, Muhammadin. That's a good entry, Muhammadik. That's a good entry, and the stop loss is safe, I think, unless we are wrong, because there's a possibility we could be wrong, you know, because the market doesn't really respect anybody. The market doesn't really respect anybody. So feel free to write me on WhatsApp so we can have a one-on-one conversation. I'd like to relate with you. And for those who are watching me for the first time, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. And you are highly welcome, okay? You're welcome. I love you all. And I'm happy to have you here. I am FelloF. I'm Fellow. You can call me Fellow. FELLO. So when trading, make sure you give yourself enough breathing space and um, you don't over leverage. That's to protect your account and also to be able to last longer in the market, because trading is not about how much you win, but it's about how you can protect what you earn. All right, because a whole lot of traders will make $100 today, tomorrow they lose 200. They'll make $1,000 today, tomorrow they lose 1,500, which doesn't make sense. Normally, if you earn $100 today, you should not lose more than $50 on your next trade, because if you are taking a 1:2 risk to reward, then you should be risking one to make at least two. You get? So it should be a growth, and you should not be losing more than you earn, even if the number of trades that you lose are more than the trades that you earn. All right, so you should always try to protect your funds. Try to protect your funds. Don't over leverage when trading. Even if you make wrong decisions on the chart, your risk to reward or your risk management will protect you. So risk management is something you should not play with. Then, in case you face a losing streak, do not torture yourself, okay? Because if you risk properly, even if you have a losing streak, you won't blow your account. You still protect your funds, okay? And you'll recover when you get back into your winning streak. All right? Yeah, Muhammad, nice to meet you, bro. Mm, yeah, we can talk about that on WhatsApp. I do manage accounts, but I have a limited amount of money that I cannot manage. Like I refuse less than and I have a minimum amount that I take. You get? Yes, I have a minimum amount that I take. So that is it. So as a trader, your job is not only to make money. You also have a job to protect the money you make. Okay? So that's exactly the advice I have for you today. Always try to protect your money and not just go crazy. Because like there was a time in my trading journey that before the market had to hit me hard and send me back to do risk management, because risk management is a course I ignored. I thought, man, I don't give a fuck. I just have to make real money from this market, because the bigger the lot size, the bigger the profits. Forgetting to know that the bigger the lot size, the bigger the losses as well. Hi, hi, Krishna. Nice to have you here. Oh, please, I speak only English. I speak English and French, so those are my two languages. I don't understand what you say by rat hair. Yeah. So before I came back with risk management, it's after price had after the market had gotten me well beaten. So I had to do some studies again on risk management. And after I understood risk management, I really realized I was a coward overexposing myself to the market, because the market is like war, okay? You're fighting with a sword and you have a shield. Your shield is your risk tolerance, okay? It is your risk tolerance. That's why you have a stop loss. Your shield is your risk tolerance. So if you keep your shield down, forget about your risk tolerance, and concentrate on using your sword to hurt your opponent cannot be hurt, okay? Because the markets cannot be hurt. The only person who can get hurt is you. So you always need your shield to protect yourself from the danger of the opponent's sword. Okay? So for me, I take up my shield and make sure I am well protected before I think of being well armed. Okay? So that's exactly what I do in the market. So um, the market taught me very well. There was a time when I usually maybe when I see a good setup and I think it's good, yes, at that time my technical was intact, all right, because I did not start trading with forex. I started trading with futures. That's rather where a whole lot of people $1,000. I'm answering you, Mohammedit, $1,000. So futures is a place where a whole lot of traders graduate from forex to, but rather I left for futures to forex. Okay, after risk management had tortured me in forex as well because I had been beaten well in futures. Then I came back to forex and I also got well beaten in forex, and that's when I decided to take risk management serious and I took a course on risk management, which actually taught me the lesson of my life. Taught me the lesson of my life. I understood that risking half of my account on one trade will not take me anywhere. Okay? Taking a standard lot on a $500 account will not take me anywhere. Why should I be taking a standard lot on a $500 account? What is my breathing space? I always love to trade with enough breathing space so that even if I'm wrong, I'll take time to understand, to realize it. Okay, I'll have enough time to understand it, to also realize I'm wrong. But if I have a tight stop loss, thinking that price, I'm the one controlling price will just tap on my zone and start going in my favor, I'm crazy. I'm crazy. So I don't do that. I give myself enough breathing space so that I can have enough time to analyze, to figure out if I'm wrong or right while in the trade. Because at times you do a technical analysis and you think you have seen a setup, you get in, and later on you figure out no, there is an error somewhere. If you over leveraged, you will already be in a massive drawdown. In massive drawdown. All right, Mohammadi, it was great having you here. But I'm hoping to see you on WhatsApp, okay? So contact me on WhatsApp and we'll talk more. So it's really very important to manage your risk properly. To manage your risk properly. That's exactly what I'm telling you today, all right? Risk management is key to consistent profitability, okay? So good. This is what we are seeing on Bitcoin. You know, we are on a buy. We are in a buy on Bitcoin, and we are hoping that Bitcoin should start buying from where it is because of what we are seeing. It has started on a trend line. We have a couple of confluences that have been met, so that's why we are buying Bitcoin. We are hoping that it plays out well, guys. And for those who are watching me for their first time, I always advise you subscribe to the channel because um, I think we share some vital information, some good content here that might be helpful to you, okay? Might be helpful to you. So that's why. Right, Muhammadin. Muhammadi. I love calling you Muhammadin because I have a brother whose name is Muhammadin. He's a Muslim. I'm not a Muslim, I'm Christian, but I have Muslim family, so I'm used to. So guys, you can as well join my free Telegram community. It's below. The links are in the description. Okay. And I will learn how to use this Facebook Live better so that when we have a live stream like this, I can pin um, the link to my broker and the link to my channel in the comment section. So I'll be learning that so that maybe in the near future that's what we'll be doing. And I'll also be using StreamYard or other streaming platforms so that I can share my screen directly and not use my phone. Okay. I hope that's going to be helpful to you guys. I'm looking forward to do that. So do not feel bad about the all right. Well, on Bitcoin, the take profit. Sorry, on gold, the take profit depends on you because this move, if it plays out well, then it's going to be a very big move. You'll be going back to the previous highs. But make sure you take partials along the line, all right? You take partials along the line. So I cannot give you an accurate take profit level. But what I can tell you is when price is moving in your favor, once you are up 1 is to 2, take half of it. Or one, yes, once you are up 1 is to 2 or 1 is to 3, you take half of it and then you can move your stops to break even, or if you care, you let it be and you let the market run. Okay, but when you are already up 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3, make sure you take partials and reduce your losses so that even if price goes against you, you will not lose anything from the market. So I cannot give you an accurate take profit level on this trade because it all depends on how strong you are to hold a trade. This is a swing, and today is Friday. Are you sure you'll be able to hold a swing trade? Are you sure you'll be able to resist the swap? So those are the things you need to take into consideration. Mohammedik, I hope I answered your question. So for those watching me for their first time, I love you so much and I welcome you guys. Thank you very much for coming. And make sure you stay, fasten your seatbelt because here is home, okay? Feel at home and always ask questions when you have because I'm here to answer your questions related to Forex trading, crypto trading, and even futures, okay? Because I trade NASDAQ and that was my favorite pair on futures, NASDAQ or S&P 500, okay? I do trade gold on futures, but I mostly trade NASDAQ. So we'll be trading NASDAQ maybe today during New York session. So if you're interested, subscribe to the channel so that when I start a live stream, you'll receive notifications. So we have our perfect entry at 3,340. That's our perfect entry. That's where we are hoping to enter gold fully. But right now, we are already in a trade. Okay? We're already in a trade. 1,000, you say you're targeting 3,377. 3,000. Yeah, it's great. It's a great take profit. It's a great take profit, bro. All right, Muhammad. Nice to meet you too. Welcome to all our new viewers, new subscribers. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys, if you are new and have not yet subscribed, okay? Let's keep building. Let's keep building. And feel free to ask all your questions related to Forex trading. I'm here for you. I can coach you through your Forex journey, okay? I can coach you through your Forex journey. I have a free community where everything there is free as well. You don't pay for anything. But now if you have to join my inner cycle where we have top league traders, what you have to do is just use the link. Use the link on my description or in my description, something like that, to join to create your account on one of the following brokers. We have PU Prime, we have Anzo Capital, and we have FBS. Those are the three brokers I use for the moment, okay? Those are the three brokers I use for the moment. So you might want to trade with me from my inner cycle where we drop at least 3 to 4 signals daily because we are over 5 profitable traders, great, consistently profitable traders. in the inner cycle who share their views on every trade and share their setup back to back. So you have more opportunity to make more money and more profits, and also have opportunity to have more trades. Okay, even if you don't need signals, when others drop signal, they give you a clue of what they see in the market, and you might also see something related to it and catch a good setup. So that's why it's good to be in a cycle like mine. Okay, so feel free. That's my WhatsApp number on the screen. That's my WhatsApp number on the screen. For those who want to contact me on WhatsApp, feel free to contact me. I'll answer all your questions. All right, Mohammadine, I'll be waiting for your message on WhatsApp. So we are still watching gold, and we are also watching Bitcoin. You see, Bitcoin in massive profits already. Bitcoin in massive profits already. Okay. When we are up 1:1, I'll let you know. Okay. When we are up 1:1, I'll let you know. So let's keep holding. Let's keep holding until we see real money. And for those who want to trade Nasdaq, just subscribe to the channel, okay? Because later in the day, I will go live again during New York session to trade Nasdaq. I'll be trading Nasdaq during New York session. So the hourly candle has closed bullish, which is a perfect confirmation that the buy is okay. We can continue buying, guys. You can continue buying. That's Bitcoin. You can continue buying Bitcoin. And we also have a buy on gold and also a pending order on gold. So that if gold go deeper, we buy more. But if you continue going high, we just wait for a change of character, a retest to continue the move to the upside. Okay? That's how we roll. For those who are joining for the first time, I go by the name FelloF. You can call me Fellow. All right? You can call me Fellow. And you can search me on Google. I'm Cham Felix on all my social media platforms. And here on YouTube, I have two channels. One for crypto. The crypto channel is called you can search. It's Cham Felix. So there I drop crypto related content because I'm also a crypto guy. I love crypto so much. So here is my forex, and here we are called Fellow, and that's how we roll here. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and let's keep trading. We trade Bitcoin, we trade gold, we trade all forex pairs, though not all. But if you tell me any pair that you want us to analyze, I'll analyze for you. Share my views on every pair and let you know what I think. Okay? So if you have any pair that you have a trade on right now and you want to know more about my views on that pair, good. You can also hit me up. You can ask me in the comment section. All right? And if you are someone who is interested in trading but don't yet know how to start to go about it, also feel free to contact me. Okay? Feel free. Just tell me in the comment section. And in case you want us to talk one-on-one, my WhatsApp number is here on the screen. All right? So the buy on go is confirmed. The buy on go is cool. Let's see how this the new hourly candle will close. If it closes bullish, then guys, we are good to go. We are good to go. So we're actually making money here right now. Let's see. This is my Telegram. I told you we have a Telegram community, so you can as well be part of it. All right. And we have a powerful academy as well, where we educate people on how to trade. All right. So in case you want to learn how to trade, we can be of help to you as well. Then we have free trainings also every month. All right. We have free trainings every month. The last weekend of every month, you have a free training with us, free, no fees to pay. We give you some hidden details about forex trading and help you on your forex journey. So this is gold. Let me open the charts so that you can see the candlesticks. I know a whole lot of you should be wondering, why is this guy using white and blue candlesticks on a black chart instead of red and green? Well, first, this is what I like. Second, it's to make sure my emotions are intact, because imagine me losing so much on a sell position, and the market is buying, and I see a big marubozo, a big green marubozo. That will give me heart attack, guys. So I rather see a big blue maribozo. That color is not frightful to me. All right. The same. Instead of me seeing a red marubozo, I rather see a white marubozo. Okay. So that's just how I see it. That's the reason why you see me trading with white and blue charts, because of my emotions. I don't want to be touched. I just want to make sure I trade like a robot. Okay. I just want to trade like a robot. So you can just tell me where you're streaming from, especially those who are streaming, who are watching me for the first time. Tell me where you're streaming from. Today we are trading gold, we're trading Bitcoin, we're in trades already, and we have some pending orders as well, hoping that price might decide to drop a little. But if not, then we are already in, and we'll take profit. We'll make profits with the positions we already have running. So in the comment section, tell me the country you are streaming from. Thanks for liking my videos, guys. So this is what we have going on Bitcoin. We have a buy on Bitcoin right now, and we're hoping to make a whole lot of money from this buy. We're hoping to make a whole lot of money from this buy. So hope you are with us. For those who started the stream, we took this trade live here. I did not actually come with a trade already running. I took this trade live here when we all were here. So that's it, guys. That's it, guys. So we are buying Bitcoin, and we are buying gold. On GBP USD, we have a running trade. And the trade was shared with my community early this week. We'll soon hit our TP. That's how easy it is. For those who are watching for the first time, do not forget to subscribe, because we share. And this trade, I took it live on YouTube. Okay, this trade you are seeing, I took it live here. That's why if you are watching me that you don't have an account funded to take signals and enjoy, you are losing a lot. Okay, you're losing a lot of money. You're keeping a whole lot of money on the table. So get the links of the brokers I use. The links are in the description. Get the links, create your account, fund that account, send me a screenshot. I'll add you to my inner cycle where you have at least 5 signals every day. Secondly, when I have a live stream like this, you just stay ready and waiting, because I drop signals back to back. People are making money. I have testimonies. Maybe on one of our videos, there'll be a day to share only testimonies of those who are making money because of my signals. So you see how powerful it is. Trading forex is one of those things I advise everyone to learn. Okay, all my siblings, I'm teaching them how to trade. My closest younger brother is already a mighty trader. He's making so much money already from the market. I believe on one of our live streams, he'll even be the one to run it, so that he can also tell you a lot about it. Then his younger one is also learning, studying how to trade. The other, because I have so many younger brothers, I'm a big boy. Okay, I have so many younger brothers. All my younger brothers are learning how to trade already. So you can imagine how the future of my family will be. So that's the same thing I'm telling you guys. I'm giving you free content, free information, free knowledge, free signals right now. So what you should do is take advantage, create accounts, start trading, test it. If it works for you, you tell your family, teach your friends, teach everyone around you, so they too can be able to trade and make money. Okay, forex is very cool. You can trade it just with your smartphone. You don't need a laptop, you don't need a computer. All you need is a smartphone and internet. That's all. You can start trading. So that's exactly what I'm telling you to do. Okay, subscribe to the channel, guys, if you're not subscribed, because there's a whole lot dropping, and if you are not connected, you will lose a lot. Use the links in the description to create your accounts, and let's trade. There are brokers there in which you can deposit even $50, you can deposit even $10. But why should you be depositing $10? How much are you risking on a trade? So I prefer you deposit $100, $1,000, and why not $10,000? I have good signals for you. So that's my WhatsApp number. And in case you want account management, you can as well contact me. If I not willing to manage your account, I have other traders I can recommend you to who are doing extremely well as well. They can manage your account as well. So let's go, guys. Let's keep building. That's my WhatsApp number on the screen, and you can also comment whatever you want in the comment section, and I'm here to help you answer a question. See you at the top, guys. Let's keep building. It's like gold will come to our zone to trigger our final position for us to go crazy. All right, because my biggest lot is still down. Oh. I'm not yet fully in, but I'm in because price might decide to go from this point. So I'm in, but I'm hoping to get triggered with my biggest lot when price gets to 3,340.930. That's a price. That's my price. That's my entry target. That's my entry target on gold. Let's see Bitcoin. We also have a trade running on Bitcoin. So we are currently have on Bitcoin and one on GBP USD. Okay, the one GBP USD is a swing trade I dropped long ago. And all these trades are not simple trades; they are swing trades. Even the one on gold is a swing trade. So if you're expecting to just make a small money, to make small money and leave, good. You can still make it from the trade, but be very, very cautious and be smart. So that's how trading goes. And I think I'll be ending this live stream now because we are going to be having another live stream during New York session. And during the live stream, we'll be trading NASDAQ. Okay. So keep your alerts on. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe so that you can watch my. We've been making so much money on NASDAQ. So if you want to take our NASDAQ signals, just go to this channel, all right? FelloF. It's the channel you're watching right now, FelloF. And check my shorts. You'll see my trades on NASDAQ. You'll see how powerful the signals are. That's why I'm telling you to fund your accounts, because I drop signals and I do a lot with you guys. So create your accounts, fund them, and come on board. Let's trade together. All right, guys. I'll be ending this live right now so that I can rest and prepare for NASDAQ trades during New York session. All right, guys. Love you all. See you on the next stream. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Show me some love by liking the videos and also commenting what you want me to talk about next. Bye.